28 days and your home's completely organized. It's the 28-day home organization reset. We're taking small action steps, one a day for 28 days, and we're going to transform our spaces. If you're jumping in halfway or you get behind, it doesn't matter. You can do these steps in any order you'd like, skip some, do more on one day and less on another. The point is that you're making small steps toward your end goal. Today is number one. Lesson number one, your junk drawer. I've never met anybody who doesn't have a junk drawer. Some of us have more than one. It's time. If you can put everything out of the junk drawer onto a counter or a table, do that. If not, put everything in a box and go somewhere where you can spread everything out. You want to empty the junk drawer completely, and if it's dirty, give it a little spray and a little wipe. So you want everything out on the counter. And once you get everything out on the counter or the table or, the floor, you want to start organizing piles of like items. So you're going to put all the pens together. You're going to put all of the rubber bands together, all of the paper in one pile. You completely organize everything out in the open. This also gives you an idea of all the multiples that you have. If you have 40 pens, you might want to scale down. I don't know how many people are going to be needing a pen at the same time at your house. All right, so you'll see, once I get this drawer clear here, you'll see everything out on the counter. There it all is. I pulled everything out. And you can see I'm starting to gather piles together. Like that's all, hardware, and that's office stuff, pens, scissors, some laundry things, little tiny pieces and screws. If they're important, I like to put them all together in a Ziploc bag. And once you've organized everything and you've pared down and you've decided what you want the drawer to be most useful for, and then you can start putting things back. Anything that you don't need back in your drawer, it needs to go somewhere else in the house, or donate it, or throw it in the trash. It's okay. It's okay to throw things out. It's going to give you peace of mind. Now you won't have to reach in and hit that panic button again. That drawer looked beautiful. Be sure to take before and after pictures of your junk drawer. Post them in the comments and get ready for a real small task for day number 2. And make sure you follow this so you can join in all that organization fun. Now you go get your junk drawer on.